Welcome to the Business Behind the Scene podcast with Francesca Moi, where we talk all about real business problems, real solutions, and getting actual results in your business. Hello everybody, and welcome to episode number 89 of Business Behind the Scene. As you guys know, I had a really big week with Book 'em to Scale. We work with our clients to help them going from invisible to invincible and really understand every step of their funnel and create every step of the funnel. So many business owners, they get a couple of clients and then they lose themselves in delivering to their clients. They lose themselves into that space where they just want to hide behind the clients. And in this workshop, we take them out of the comfort zone and we show them that hiding doesn't get you anywhere. So today we're going to talk about that together. But I am super excited to see how much my clients, when you call them out, when you help them and hold them in that space, they're able to actually step up and get the business to the next level. I'm one of those coaches that I love to push my clients and my team and myself out of my comfort zone. I don't believe in staying in my comfort zone. I don't believe in making excuses. In the same time, I do believe into listening to your body and understanding, not burn out and not do things that are not aligned. But in the same time, sometimes things that are aligned are things that are not pushing me out of my comfort zone. So I would never go online dating if I didn't have to, right? That's out of my comfort zone completely. But if I don't do that, how else am I going to meet someone? What am I going to do? What am I actually doing to get successful, right? In whatever area. So sometimes we've got to do things that we don't really want to do, that we never imagine ourselves doing, to be able to get our business, our life, our results to the next level. So it's really important to understand that there is that voice in our head that is like, oh, I don't want to do that. That sounds difficult. I get it. I hear you. Yeah, I mean, if there was an easy way to do business, if I could just like sit around and do nothing and be successful, I'd be all in for. Actually, would I? I don't know if I would. I'll be like, I don't deserve this. I haven't done nothing for it. So I don't know if I would be all in. But listen, I get it. Sometimes it's like, why does it have to be so hard? Why do I have to do so many things? Why do I have to put myself out there and like really do things that I don't feel comfortable in? Listen, it's not everything that you do in your business you have to be uncomfortable. But success starts at the edge of your comfort zone. So you need to walk towards the edge. You can't just stay in the comfort zone all the time, because we're not going to be able to get you there. So today, really, we wanted to talk about understanding your client journey, understanding when people are before they know about you, right? How they're going to see about you, how they're going to find out about you if you're invisible, if you're hiding behind a rock, right? How do they know about you? And I know that some of you have a beautiful word of mouth business, a referral based business, that people come and see you, they love you, and they send you other people, and you just keep going like that. But the thing is, you have no control whatsoever on when the next clients will come from. You don't know that at all. So it's like a miracle based business, right? You're like, miracle, someone refer me to someone, yay. But then you don't know when is the next person going to refer you, when is that going to happen. So we don't want that for you. We don't want you to hide behind praying and hoping that the next client will come from. We want you to have certainty and have a plan, so that you can start to plan your expenses. You can start to plan your what you want to spend your money in. You're going to start to plan where how much money you're going to put away. You're going to be able to start to invest into your business, not blindfolded. We don't want you to run the business blindfolded. So if you think about a client journey of someone that doesn't know about you, how are they going to find out about you unless someone else tell them, right? So it's important that we think about, okay, well, we might need to start to be a little bit more active on social media consistently, so people start to see who we are and what we're about. Then the next thing we need to do, right, maybe run a webinar or teach on social media, put your posts out there, adding value in groups, anything you need to do to really get the momentum so that people can see you. And then once they can see you, they can choose if they want to follow you or not, right? And when we do that, when you get to that point, then you got to think about, okay, what will be a step for someone else, a client journey, right? where they're gonna go from there. They're gonna follow you, they're gonna stalk you, they're gonna press the follow button, they're gonna press the friendship, they're gonna try to become your friend on Facebook, they might write to you a message, they might click on an event that you have and RSVP, right? What is the journey? And again, if you don't have an event, if you don't have a page, if you don't have a place where they can follow you, if you don't have a webinar that they can register to, how they're gonna follow you? What are you giving the chance to your followers to follow you? How? What are you doing? What are you doing today for them to follow you? What are you doing today for you to pop up on their social media? I knew it. See, I can hear you saying, oh, nothing today, but I did last week. Not enough. You got to do it today. Stop everything and make sure that your calendar is balanced with activities that are going to get people that don't know you to know you. That's super important, right? Long term, you'll be so grateful for yourself that now push yourself out of your comfort zone and go, okay, I'm doing this. I am pushing, I'm doing it. I'm doing something that is going to work for me and my business, right? Then when people start to follow you and consistently follow you, then what? What is the next step? What are you going to invite them to that are going to be like, oh my goodness, I love this. This is a great idea. I'd love to do that. I would love to go there. I'd love to be part of this, right? Do you have a community? Do you have a group? Do you have a space where they can be themselves and they can open up and contribute? So one of the things that I teach my clients is how to start a Facebook group and a meetup group so that you can actually be present and organize things for them to feel like you are the leaders in this industry, in this area, which is beautiful, right? So what is the next step from there? Once they come to your workshop or to your events, then what are you going to invite them to? Or again, have you got everything scattered that people don't know what's the next step? You got to make it easy for the buyer to go, oh, that's next step. I want to go there. Like in Mafia Academy, we have so many different layers and levels of the Mafia Academy that people are like super excited to go to the next level. They're like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to do 500K club. They all know that once they reach $100,000, they can get personally invited by me into the 500K club. Nobody can get inside of 500K club unless I invited them. So people that join in my academy, they already know that the ultimate goal, the ultimate dream is to be able to be in the 500K club. That's it, right? So are you doing that? Are you creating that for your clients? Are you building that space where they want to be there? They want the next thing, right? It's not you trying to force them into the next step, but you have created so much awareness and so much fun and so much engagement around the next step that the clients, the followers, everybody know where to go next. Most people that follow me know that I've got a Mafia Academy. They know there is Meetup and Facebook International Academy. We teach social media to coaches. Why we teach them how to, once they realize how to get clients from social media, then we teach them how to start workshops successfully. So those steps are done on purpose. I understand my potential client's journey and understand where to take them from and to. A lot of people just work on the bottom of the funnel. They just work on delivery, on the programs, and they spend years and hours and days and money and create a website, a membership site, and all of that when you don't even know who's going to be doing that. You don't even have a following yet. You don't have people that are interested in something free, let alone a $3,000 program. So let's start to go back to basic and start to really understand how someone that doesn't know me completely is going to trust me enough to be able to show up to our webinar. Even just that. There's so many people that are not as genuine, if you want, or not as committed to give value, and they're just there to sell. The people now are skeptical. They don't want to show up to our workshop. They don't know for sure that you're going to add value. They don't want to show up there if it's going to be a pitch fest, right? They want to make sure that when they say yes to 2 hours or 3 hours or 4 hours with you, there's going to be a ton amount of value that is just like next level. So I wanted to really, really get you to think about that. Are you doing that? Are you providing the space that people want to be part of? Are you doing everything you can to get people to say, oh, wow, this is the person I need to work for? I was talking to a friend of mine, well, a client of mine, and now is a friend of mine too. And she said, I was looking for a coach for so many years. And when I started to follow you, when I saw you, when I got to know you, I was like, that is it. She's it. And she was like, I already made my money back and I can't even express the gratitude that I have for the program that you've created, the space that you created, and how much you're pushing us out of the comfort zone and how much you're teaching us and showing us every step. It's incredible. So listen, if I was invisible, she would not fund me. She would not be able to check me out and go, oh, wait, what? This person is amazing. She listened to my podcast. She watched webinars. She done things to see, okay, yeah, this is the person for me. This is the coach for me. I know this person is a coach for me. So ask yourself, if someone starts to follow you and watch you on social media, do they have enough information? Have you put enough information out there for them to make a decision? Or are you keeping all your best cards for you? Only wants to talk to me, I'll show them that I'm the best coach for them. Or are you putting all your cards on the table? I want to share. I want to be transparent. I want people to follow me and know exactly who this Francesca is. Everybody knows my journey from personal life to business. They know that. They know that I'm Italian. They know that I've got, a beautiful dog called Ollie. They know that my mom usually comes to Australia about 3 months a year. They know that my mom is a healer and she's amazing what she does. They know that I'm single. They know that I was dating someone. Everything was public. Right? They know that I've got a business. They know that I started 5 years ago. They know that I worked really hard. They know when I'm going on holiday. They follow my journey. Some people live success through my life. So I really want you guys to think about, what are you doing to help people to make a decision to work with you, to make a decision to really lean in and be able to trust you, to take them to the next step. What are you doing for people to really make their life a lot easier, not having to not trust you and not tip the toe in? You want people to come all in, right? To be like, I'm in, I've been watching you, I know who you are, I am ready, let's go. If this is your dream client, then what are you doing for them to help them to make that decision easily? It's your responsibility to tick boxes. It's your responsibility to show them that you are it. It's your responsibility to be consistent over and over and over and over again. So I invite you to really think about and check it out. Go into your social media as a stranger and see if there's enough value there. See if you'll be wowed by you. See if you'll be following you. See if you'll be like, oh my goodness, this person is amazing. Would you say that about yourself if you was someone else? Honestly. And if you don't know because it's you, then ask a friend, ask someone to go through it. And are you ticking boxes? Are you showing that you've got credibility, social proof? Are you sharing client success stories? Are you talking from the heart? Are you being authentic? Are you being real? Have you been taking people through a journey with you? Are you teaching stuff? Are you sharing value? Are you relating to them? Are you sharing things that you are where they are now? Are you doing any of those things? Because if you're not, it's time to step up. If you are a coach and you're not in my workshop, Secret for Coaches, I teach you all the steps on how for you to get yourself out there to the point that people want to join a workshop. A lot of people come to us and show me how to get people in my workshop, but they are completely invisible. Nobody's going to come to your workshop if you're completely invisible. We need to get you out of under the rock and start to get yourself out there so people want to follow you, watch you, and be excited about you. That's what you got to do. And you got to do it with passion. You got to do it with purpose. You got to do it to be able to live that legacy that you always wanted to live. This is not about us showing our face because we wanted to be full of ourselves. This is us showing our face because we know the difference we will make when people can actually relate and follow us and watch us and put the guard down and trust us. Nobody's going to buy your product if they don't trust you. And some of us are waiting until people will tell people about us, but that's too long. You don't have control of that. So let's go back to taking control of your business and go and promote it like there is no tomorrow, and give and have fun and show people all your sides. That's when you're going to get the success. I hope you guys enjoyed this today. I wanted to give a shout out to all my clients that came to Sales Mastery last week. We had a 2-day workshop, was bloody incredible. And already every week we're doing a summary on how they were, and not even everybody's done they send us the numbers yet, but they're going to do it by the end of today. And we already have $20,000. They already made $20,000 in a week. It's just incredible to see where they're at. So very, very, very impressed by my clients and where they're at and how much they're pushing themselves out of the comfort zone. So look forward to see what will happen when you start to do that. So thank you for listening, and have a fantastic week, everybody. And if you love this podcast, please, please, please leave me a review so that more people can listen to this and get their hands on it. And if all of us step up, we'll be able to change the world. That's what it is, right? That's what it's all about. If all of us, every single one of us, step up and put ourselves out of the comfort zone and start following, that's when we're going to be able to start to make a difference and make this place a better place to live for our kids and our next generation. All right, beautiful people, have a fantastic week. I'll see you next week. Bye. Hey, if you enjoy listening to this podcast, then you have to come to check out our Facebook group, Workshop Secrets for Coaches. It's a community of over 9,500 coaches that are ready to boom their business by running workshops. They are stuck in one-on-one coaching and they're ready to start to go one-to-many. So if you are one of those coaches, then you have to join us. I look forward to see you there. And hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave me a review to win a ticket to one of my workshops. I look forward to see you there.